Gracias, Jorge. Continuando con el glosario tenemos Service actions time to satisfy the requirements or needs of certain subjects. Sustainable development, the balance and responsible use of natural resources so that economic and environmental development can occur. Strategic planning, written document that details the specific management actions aimed at specific objectives in the marketing of work in a given area. Vision, ability to project the future of a company in what is enhance the beacon in the long term. Teamwork, it is the work done by several individuals, whereas everyone does a part good and wide at common goal. Vanguard directs the march of the troops and opens roads. Son and the expulsion are the exploration of the ground, the clearing of potential dangers for the advances. Bueno, como conclusiones tenemos, for the company to remain in the time and be successful, it must have a vision of both technology and sustainability, innovation and good to change. Have resources that protect the delivered value from the supply chain, part of human value, and excellent custom in what is important. Big companies must enter the chain and be in the win with the change and otherwise in the standard or comfort zone. The vision for growth, development, and sustainable it must have a central purpose that remains fixed and clear objectives. For lasting success, the company must have a central ideology and the future imagined in the central ideology defines the lasting nature of an organization are coherent identity that goes beyond the life cycles of the product on the market or of the technology advance and individual leaders. The central capacity is the strategic concept that defines the specific skill of the organization in which we have planning, prioritization, time management, detail orientation, and resource coordination. Tenemos la bibliografía. Espero que haya sido de su agrado. Muchas gracias.